Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm on a 2018 Scout 215 XSF. This is a recent trade at our location, barely used. Starting at the back of the boat, we have the Yamaha 150 horse XB motor that is 4-stroke, very smooth, reliable, everything that you come to expect from a Yamaha motor. Nice swim platform on the back with a 3-step swim ladder on the starboard side. Speaking of the starboard side, nice transom walkthrough, making it very simple to get in and out of the boat. As you move to the back of the cockpit, you have a great fold-down seat, fish box, and a really good sized cooler. Speaking of fishing, you do have rod holders behind the helm seat, as well as some rocket launchers built into the integrated hardtop. Nice flip-up bolster seats for the helm for both passenger and driver. Upgraded Edson steering wheel. Again, another great update is the Garmin 7680 screen that's on this boat. Full GPS capability as well as a depth sounder. Fusion stereo, Bluetooth, easy to sync in, easy to play your favorite tunes. As we move forward, you're going to see it's got a very nice storage locker inside of the helm. You can add a head if you need one, otherwise it's a great space for bags, storage, life jackets, everything you need. Coming to the bow of this 215, one of my favorite things about the boat is this seating area. Very user-friendly, easily accommodate 4 people. Great storage locker here. Life jackets, bags, again, whatever you need. In this case, we do have the optional bow table as well, so it has an integrated storage spot for both the leg and the tabletop itself. Also have the backrest. Again, just great entertaining hanging out space, kind of away from the fishing action on the back of the boat. Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland, recent trade 2018 Scout 215. Give us a call or stop on in to check this one out or take it for a spin.